Forgot to record, but I did get the engine on the engine mount, so it took me a little longer than I wanted to. So I took off the engine mount that was here, and then I'm just gonna start tearing into it. It looks like this is the timing belt cover, so I'm gonna dive into that one. Gonna start tearing it apart, and then hopefully I get pretty far today to where it's pretty much disassembled, so I can take it to the machine shop and get it resurfaced and get everything done that needs to get done. It'll be a learning process. I'll try to record as much as I can and kind of explain what I know and what I'm learning. Whoops. I've taken this apart before just because the cam positioning sensor got messed up. Ooh. So there it is. Let's go on with the other one. I'll put this bolt on. Yeah, so I'm trying to keep everything where it goes, so trying to take that off. Next to with the tensioner. And put that back on there. Take that one off too. Loosen these up. I'm guessing this is like the water pump. So I'm gonna put. Where the hell does that go? Alright, so that goes there. That's what I thought. Thermostat is right here. Alright, so my camera died. I didn't notice that it was dead, so I got pretty far. I'm trying to undo the, what is it called, the head bolts now, so I had to go get a new breaker bar just because the other one snapped. And this one's a 1/2 inch, the other one was 3/8, so I'm gonna do that. Took off the camshaft. As you can see, the engine's pretty much stripped, so I'm gonna try to loosen those up, and then I think I'm just gonna take off the top of it and then leave it at that. Hopefully everything keeps going good. So they're all loosened up. Cool, cool. Looks like that's pretty much it. Don't think anything else is holding this together. So might have to break it loose. Yep. So now I have to find a spot where I want to lay this. So before I get everything, just want to get a view of the engine. So you guys can see that's pretty crusty right there. It's not going to look like that once I'm done. The top. That's what it's looking like. Oh shit. Well, I don't know if it looks good, but I believe those look pretty toasted. Those look pretty rough, so looks like the walls look pretty good. I'm gonna get it resurfaced. These don't look too bad, I believe. The only one that kind of concerns me is that one. You can see there's a little bit of buildup on that. Overall, doesn't look bad, I believe. Alright, I know I said I was gonna be done once I took that off, but I wanna flip it over and see what's underneath. Oh! I believe if I take that off, it's not gonna be too crazy. That's what that looks like. Plastic. So I think I'm gonna take this off and